about you. Let you catch a peek of all your greatest desires. And I'd watch the flames in your eyes burn like hellfire. Find all the wolves in the land, and I'd make them fight each other, tooth and nail and hand to hand. Find all the sheep, make them stir up the pot, 'cause once the wolves have killed each other, sheep are what I want. The devil walks among us, friends, I know this is true. And I don't know if he's red, and I don't know if he's blue. One thing that I know, need to take a look around. If I were the devil, this world wouldn't be my playground. As I place that thorn crown on my furrowed brow, well, I'd shine in all the tears of joy and from the crack. I want to brainwash parents, and I have the world. I'll be in every schoolhouse lecturing little boys and girls. The devil walks among us, friends, I know this is true. And I don't know if it's me, and I don't know if it's you. One thing that I know, need to take a look around. If I were the devil, this world wouldn't be my playground. My final act, tell you what it'd be. I have everyone so medicated they can never see. Cloven hooves on horned head to be all disguised. And the best part of it all is they can climb with their demise. The devil walks among us, friends, I know this is true. And I don't know if it's me, and I don't know if it's you. One thing that I know, need to take a look around. If I were the devil, this world wouldn't be my playground. If I were the devil, this world was mine to see. Well, I'd witness all the atrocities, and it'd probably frighten me. So I run back home with a story to tell. I tell all my demon friends that I always preferred hell.